another quick episode on the Clio project for you today, and again it's something that we've covered at some point in the past before. We are replacing the bulbs in that and in that. So all we're going to need is some new bulbs. We've got these from HorizonLED. They are exactly the same as the side light bulbs that we've already used, and you'll need a small flat head screwdriver. Okay, so the bit to get at is on this side here, so carefully lift that out. I don't want to scratch it, but no, my luck, I probably will. There you go. I don't know why Richard made this look so hard when he did the video on it himself. So twist and pull out. You've got one bulb there, and I have a 50-50 chance of getting this in the right way round. Open that. Old bulb, new bulb, and we'll just take that out. Pop the new one straight in. If I make sure it's 50-50 chance of the right orientation. In it goes. Twist and what we've found is, through trial and error, this bulb for some reason isn't working. We don't really know why. The normal halogen bulbs work fine with that light. Then as soon as we put in this bulb, on either side it doesn't work. The other side works fine. You can see it's a big difference between that brightness and that brightness, even though it's the same sort of bulb. But it's nice and simple to do, and hopefully on screen you'll have a bit of image now saying what the map light should look like when it's working fine on both sides. So as you can see, it makes a big difference having the LED lights inside the car. Makes it a lot brighter. Obviously it's like easy to tell when it's dark, but already I can tell it's a lot brighter. But thank you very much to HorizonLED for these bulbs. Link to them will be in the description below. If you want your own ones, follow the link through and just search for the ones that fit for your own vehicle. They'll be able to help you out if needs be. But thank you all very much for watching, and we'll see you for another episode of the Clio project very soon. Ciao.